Check out this Ford 2019 F-150. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 3.15 axle ratio, transmission, electronic 10-speed automatic included, selectable drive modes, normal tow haul snow eco select sport, engine, 5.0 LV8 included, auto start stop technology and flex fuel capability. Gross vehicle weight, 6,800 pounds. Payload package, 3.15 axle ratio, class 4 trailer hitch receiver included, towing capability up to TBD on 3.3 LV6 PFDI engine, 99B, and 2.7L EcoBoost engine, 99P, or up to TBD on 3.5L EcoBoost engine, 994, 3.5L EcoBoost high output engine, 99 grams, and 5.0 LV8 engine, 995, smart trailer tow connector and 4-pin